3 peaks along a steep ridge, ropes, steps and paragliders. This is Drone and Phone.
Well, thanks for the recommendations from Tara Smith and Kate McCuro for the second in our Hong Kong's toughest walks. Jack, what are we going to be doing today?
They suggested Hunchback, so today we're going to go through the Ma On Shan family trail. First we go up to Yan, then Hunchback, then Ma On Shan, 3 peaks.
3 peaks, about 7.5k we think. Should be 4 or 5 hours, but a lot of climbing to do. Let's get going.
For this series, we're asking what the toughest day walk in Hong Kong is. In the second episode, we start down at the Ma On Shan MTR station and slowly make our way up to the top of Ma On Shan via the Hunchbacks. The first part of this walk is pretty straightforward, just straight up the hill that towers over you at the start. There are some great viewpoints to look down as you slowly make your way up. Also, a few hairy climbs. The rope is provided.
Well, we just got up to the top of Hunchbacks. It's been very steep to get up, probably a little bit too steep if you don't like heights, some sort of physical rock climbing at places, but not too difficult by any stretch of the imagination. We're going up Ma On Shan, which is this one over here next, and then we'll descend down to Sai Kung. I think Jack's got a safety message for you. Let me just come over here, Jack.
Hey guys, if you're not fit, this is not for you, and when the weather is hot and the humidity is picking up, it's gonna be tough. Safety first. Safety first.
Okay, it is a little bit tough at places. Right, we're gonna get going. We think it looks fairly simple to get up Ma On Shan from here, and then it should be a nice ridge walk back down to Sai Kung. Okay, let me give you a quick update. We've come from the Ma On Shan MTR right the way down the bottom there, climbed up this ridge all the way up to the Hunchbacks, right up the top here, and then to the top of Ma On Shan where I am right now. If I turn around, you can see Sai Kung down below, which is where we're going to, and then here is the ridge we're going to take down. We've done most of the climbing so far, but it's still a fair way to go.
If you're lucky, as we were, and the weather conditions are favourable, during the second half of the walk, the skies will be filled with brightly coloured paragliders. As you make your way down off the mountain, you come to a meadow where they take off and land. The final walk off the mountain is an easy stroll along a dirt path with plenty of steps to test the knees.
Well, we're just coming to the end. We're going to drop down to Sai Kung, probably about another hour to go. It's a beautiful, beautiful hike. Not too tough, not as tough as it should be, eh, Jack?
Yeah, a bit scary from part to part, but it was nice.
Now, if you like this show and you never want to miss an episode, please like our Facebook page on facebook.com/Drone and Phone.
Or you can check our previous episode, nicely on dronephone.com.
My name's DJ Clark.
I'm Jack.
And this is Drone and Phone. Oh. And we're about to go up there, up Tai Mo Shan. To be honest, this one is very steep in places. And Jack,
Ma On Shan. Ma On Shan.
what did I say? Did I say Tai Mo Shan? Oh, sorry. We're going up Ma On Shan. Very steep.